Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to open Google Finance Portfolio. So the first thing you need to do is go to Google and type in google.com/finance. Then you just need to log into your profile, which you can do by going to the top right corner and clicking on your Google account, then click on Portfolio. Now let's see how you can actually open Google Finance Portfolio. First, you need to create one. As you can see, there's an option that says Create a Portfolio to view your investments in one place. Click on that, name your portfolio, and then click Save. When you create it, the portfolio will open automatically. If you want to open it again, you can just go to your portfolio and click on it, like this, and it will open. So click back, click on it, and you have it open again. That's how you can actually do it. It's pretty simple, as you can see. That will be everything for this video. I hope you found this informative. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It really helps us grow the channel. That will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye.